Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to obtain a JKS Keystore related to Google Play signing. First, confirm whether Google manages your app signing key or you hold the upload key. Open Google Play Console and sign in with the developer account email. Navigate to Release, then Setup, and click App Integrity to view signing certificates and fingerprint values. Confirm whether you can access your private upload key files on your development machine. If you do not have the upload private key, prepare to request a key reset from Play support. From App Integrity, locate the Download Certificate button and save the PEM file to your machine. If you originally created an upload key, gather Upload Cert. PEM and Upload Key. PEM files into a working folder. If Google manages the key, note that Google does not provide the private key for download. In that case, continue to use Google Play app signing to deliver updates. If you hold both the certificate and private key, proceed to convert them into a PKCS12 file for import into a JKS Keystore. Create a PKCS12 file with OpenSol using your certificate and private key on the command line. Use OpenSol PKCS12 export in Upload Cert, PEM in key upload key, PEM out upload, P12 password pass change it. Then import that PKCS12 into a JKS with KeyTool. Use KeyTool import Keystore disk change it disk kipas change it disk Keystore upload. JKS SRC Keystore upload. P12 SRC store type PKCS12 SRC store pass change it a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.